Moving on, KFC is in the limelight yet again after an international environmental organization has accused it of using paper containing MTH. MTH is a fiber unique to rainforest wood, meaning that when KFC uses this in its products, the fast food chain is simultaneously destroying the tropical rainforest.
Unfortunately, the tropical rainforest has been turned into KFC paper products. The rainforest is home to endangered animals, such as the Sumatran tigers and orangutan. KFC should stop using MTH in its products and give the rainforest back to these animals.
The international group says that the results showed that KFC's tissues, paper cups, and other paper products all contain MTH. The environmental organization has asked Yum Group to stop buying these products. KFC has yet to respond.